Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Houma, local and long-distance movers near me. In any move, you should always be aware that it can be a stressful and challenging experience. When you consider moving to another state or within Houma, the first thing that comes to mind is probably only expenses. Worry no more. 3 Movers offers very competitive rates for moving services among all economy movers in Houma. At 3 Movers, we pride ourselves on our excellent long-distance moving services. You can hire a professional team of logistics specialists, trained movers, and drivers doing an excellent job of every time they work with a fleet of well-maintained trucks that they can carry amount and luggage across the country. It can also be stressful to go through the moving process. Whether you're moving just across the street or across the country, you have to plan your move by backing up everything and transporting it into your new place. You'll encounter many challenges when you're moving about, and these include the mental and physical strain of going through your belongings or even loading heavy furniture and appliances on the moving truck. It is recommended to choose a team of local movers to do your job, and that's where 3 Movers comes in to take all your worries away. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Houma moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.